equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX325E and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Remember, it's important to keep track of which screws go where, as some may be longer than others. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the battery clearly. It's usually secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is typically a small plug that can be gently pulled out. Be careful not to pull on the wires themselves, as this could cause damage. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Connect it securely to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Once connected, replace the screws that hold the battery in position. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently. After cleaning, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Now, it's time to replace the screws you removed earlier. Remember to put the longer screws back in their original positions. Once all screws are secured, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about any travel or phone calls. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Asus UX325E. This process not only extends the life of your laptop, but also saves you money in the long run. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.